name's Dave. Today we're making crock pot tacos. Crock pot, why you ask? Because they're fucking amazing. So you're gonna need half an onion. Now dice it up. Ooh, knife is not sharp. The good thing about these tacos is it's almost set and forget, not fully. You do have to stir them up every once in a while, but the family will love them. Kind of reminds me more of like a Taco Bell, you know, meat that just doesn't suck. Okay. Well, these are going cooking. We can add the meat. Just 80 to 20. Usually do a little extra. Stuff's good. You can have taco salads throughout the week. Good meal prep. Okay. Just gotta grab this other one. Like I said, nothing fancy. Just 80-20. And for cooking time for this, if you have 3 hours or plus, you can always do it on low, but we're going to do it on high today, so probably about an hour and a half to fully cook. Like I said, I've been making these for a while. Kids love it. You can get the rest of it ready. So you're gonna need, for this amount of meat, this is about a little more than 2 pounds. So you need about 2 tablespoons cumin, about the same chili powder. Even though I'm gonna put fresh garlic in, or jarred garlic, I always put a little extra garlic. About a teaspoon oregano, and about 3 tablespoons of paprika. And salt and pepper. Where is the salt and pepper? There it is. A little salt. A little pepper. Stir up these onions real quick. And I add a little bit of beef broth at the bottom. Not much. Maybe about 1/4 to a 1/2 cup. Yeah, a little more. Yeah, a little more. Okay, just waiting for these onions to finish up. And about a minute done, before the onions are done, add some garlic. About a tablespoon. Garlic, you don't really need to cook that long. You're only looking, once you start smelling it, about 45 seconds to a minute, it's all done. And down. All right. When it's done, just put it in with your meat. That's pretty much it. Just let it cook for about an hour and a half. Like I said, every 30 minutes or so. You gotta break up the meat. We'll get to it. But don't want to use a spatula. You want to use a masher, actually, for this. When it's time, I'll show you actually how to do it. And that's it. See you in a bit. All right, it's been about an hour or so. Let's give it a quick check. Oh, fuck. It's looking good. So this is why you need to use the masher. It's going to mash it up and break up all the meat. You can use turkey meat if you really wanted to do this also, but we're going to go with the old school beef. Let's continue to break it up. Big chunk right there. All right, that's it. Let me start making the sauce and getting the toppings all set real soon. All right, so already showed you the meat. I just ground it up again. I'm probably gonna turn it down to low for now. It looks like it's pretty much done. Let's turn it to low, and we're gonna add the beans. Like I said, this part's optional. These are just black beans. They only have this no salt added, but we'll take care of that. Said optional, not needed. Adds a lot though. All right, once they're rinsed off, just throw them in and mix them up. Doesn't matter if some of them get flattened. Okay, let's go to the sauce. I'm gonna make a homemade taco sauce. It's actually really easy. You just need 8 ounces tomato sauce, 1/3 cup of water, tablespoon of vinegar. This is just white vinegar. I should probably turn it on. Yeah, right. Cumin. About a half a teaspoon or so of cumin. Onion powder. Where'd the onion powder go? There you go. Oh, you change that up. About the same amount of onion powder. Garlic powder. Chili powder. It's like a 1/4 teaspoon, that's that much. A little paprika, about the same, 1/4 teaspoon. And sugar. I forgot to grab the sugar. I'm gonna just grab the sugar. Should be about a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Not much. All right, that's it. So just gonna let this go to a boil. And once it starts boiling, let it simmer for 20 minutes. All right, so the sauce is about done. We had to turn it off because there's a little bit of an issue with the tomatoes. Bought them 2 days ago and they are already bad. Some might have called it a tomastrophe. All right. So yeah, the sauce is done. Come on, tomastrophe, come on. Put it in there. You know you liked it. I was thinking about that the whole way home. Okay. I don't know where that towel went. All right. This lettuce is already rinsed. Got it really nice and thin. Okay. Use this one. Okay. Lettuce is all done. And tomatoes, the fresh ones. Sharpen this knife. Okay, cut one for now. Before I get to the cilantro, I'm just gonna heat up our tortilla. Grab a bunch of cilantro, just a fine chop. Okay. Show you where that towel was. Okay. Same thing. Cut them nice and small. And for the cheese, I'm using a super secret blend of whatever I had in the kitchen. Ah, the cat's hungry. Okay, flip this over. All right, that's about done. Let's get the meat out. Usually like to keep a little bit of the fluid in there, the liquid, to keep it moist. But you can drain it if you want. Okay. That's off. A little sour cream. Meat. Mystery cheese. Lettuce. Some tomatoes. Oh yeah, avocado. And some of this homemade taco sauce. That's it. That'll look good. Mm-hmm. Taste test. It's a good taco.